today we're going to be trying out Backpackers Pantry Chicken Piccata and tagliatelle pasta. Now, I really like chicken piccata. It's a really great summer meal. It's lemony and garlic and then salty because of the capers. And you really can't screw up pasta at all, so that makes it nice and filling. So that's what we're going to try out today. So this one takes a little longer, and it needs 2.5 cups of boiling water. So we're going to get that going. And I'm going to boil my 2.5 cups of water in my Some X pot today. Get that on there. And it'll just take a little bit for it to start boiling, and I'll check back with you then. So we have our 2.5 cups of water boiling. I'm going to tear open the package. Make sure you grab the oxygen absorber out. And this one comes with some olive oil, which is not included in the directions, so I think that's just kind of a preference. Right up top you see all of the noodles. There's lots and lots and lots of noodles. But you start spinning it and you definitely see your chunks of chicken and your capers. So there's that. Just all the way open. Take the pot, or the kettle, I guess. This is really nice for pouring. Just a side note. This is my first time using the X pot. Move that to the side. Definitely see lots of the seasonings, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix this really good. Make sure you get all of the corners deep down. Now again, this particular meal takes a lot longer than normal for boiling or making a bag meals, and this actually takes 15 to 20 minutes after you put the water in it to rehydrate. So something to keep in mind. Definitely smell the lemon and the garlic. So just give it one last really good stir, and then I'm going to seal it up, and I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. So we're back, and it's been 20 minutes. I can feel how thick and heavy this has gotten. Definitely smell the garlic when I open it up. And the lemon. I'm going to add that olive oil now. So make sure you don't put it all in one spot. Go around the bag with the olive oil, because that's going to make it way easier to mix it all up. Alright, see lots of chicken. So I'm going to go in for a bite, and I just want to make sure I get some of everything. It's not big chunks of chicken, it's like almost kind of shredded fine pieces of chicken. You got your noodles, some seasoning, probably like some Italian, get a caper, This is really lemony. It's nice and light. This is a really good summer meal. I actually would probably like this more as a side. It is pretty salty with the capers and everything, so it might get to be too much. This is a 2-serving pouch, and there is a lot of pasta in here. So doing this as a side with some chicken, or maybe adding more chicken to kind of distribute the flavor more, might be better, but I would be happy enjoying this as a meal too, especially when the summer night gets a little chilly, but you don't want something too heavy. This is perfect. I'm gonna give this one a 7.5 out of 10. If you've tried this, make sure to let me know in the comment section below what you thought about it, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one.